The world's first nuclear power station was built in Cumbria using British expertise and engineering technology. Nuclear power uses heat to generate steam to drive turbines that spin generators to produce electricity. Except instead of burning fuel, heat is released through nuclear fission. Splitting the nuclei of radioactive metals like uranium releases huge amounts of energy. 1 ton of uranium fuel gives off as much energy as 14,000 tons of coal, without releasing any carbon dioxide. Fuel supplies are also readily available and relatively cheap. So nuclear can potentially make a major contribution both to energy supply and to tackling climate change. However, whilst nuclear power doesn't produce carbon dioxide, it does produce radioactive waste. Building nuclear plants involves major safety and security issues, which mean that construction and decommissioning costs are very high. A new generation of nuclear reactors have been designed to reduce wastes and incorporate improved safety features. Even so, there will always be a price to pay for the safe and secure management of radioactive wastes. In 2007, nuclear power stations generated 18% of the UK's electricity, but most of them are coming to the end of their working lives and need to be replaced. Looking further ahead, electricity could be generated through nuclear fusion, releasing energy by forcing atoms together at high pressures and temperatures, rather than by nuclear fission. Fusion only produces small amounts of radioactive waste, much less than fission, and a limitless supply of fuel is available in the form of hydrogen extracted from seawater. The UK is heavily involved in the development of fusion technology. But it's so difficult to control the huge energies involved that it will be years before we can use fusion to generate electricity for everyday use.